We've reached that time again for Fortunate Questions, one of our favorite times to share with you, the time that we bake your question that you have sent in, you the viewer, into a fabulous fortune cookie. I keep saying we bake it. I am not a fortune cookie producer. Mr. Wong, thank you for delivering another fabulous batch of fortune cookies to the fortune cookie aficionados, chopstick guys. Well, it's time for the question.
I think it's my turn to
I think you need to grab me a fabulous fresh fortune cookie.
Here we go.
Okay.
Look at this.
Okay.
Here you go, and let's see what we've got.
Perfect drop. Perfect drop.
Who's it from this week?
Well,
I guess you got to open it first.
I have to open it first. It's from Katie. From Provo, Utah. I like Katie as a name. That's a good name. Katie from Provo. It says, I'm still backing up my photos on CD and DVD. Should I be doing something different? I think you have an answer for that.
That's right. I was going to laugh out loud.
Don't do that.
Not just say Ella, but
Katie's probably
with a name like Katie, I knew
nice.
that. Yes, you can't laugh at Katie. Katie, no. We were just talking the other day about somebody asked us to look at something, and both of us said, I don't even have a DVD.
Like,
even on my desktop, I don't have a DVD or CD-ROM drive anymore.
Yeah.
So, no,
don't do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. We do have an answer, though.
Yes.
You know, everything that we shoot these days, we store on Smugmug.
Yep.
Smugmug, I believe, is one of the greatest places to store your images.
And yeah, go ahead.
No, it just, I'm sure you were going to go the same direction I was. It's just, it gives you the ability to, make some of them private. You can make small galleries where they can only see the tiny versions of it. You can sell prints right out of there if you buy that feature. And it's a reputable company that unlimited storage for just a tiny monthly fee. Yep. It's so worth it.
It totally is worth it. So with Smugmug, one of the things I want to say is that it's to store your JPEG versions, right? It's not to store your RAWs.
No.
They'll store video and JPEG. It's a great way to archive everything because it's unlimited space.
Yeah.
Every shot you've ever taken, every shot I've ever taken is in a Smugmug gallery.
Yeah.
Now, I don't get paid anything from Smugmug, but it would be nice too. But anyways, I've been a Smugmug client for 14 years and rock solid.
I switched 2 years ago and I'm never looking back.
The best, hands down. I had an issue the other day with upload speed, and I can show you a string. I'm not gonna because you'd be bored out. The string of 19 emails back and forth where they responded within seconds of me
trying to fix why your upload was slow.
Yep. So it was really cool. The other thing that you can do is Amazon basically has free storage space.
Yes.
It's not a viewing system like Smugmug is.
It's just a spot for you to deposit
that you could actually deposit your raw images. So you can use that too. But Smugmug, for our raw images, what do you do?
I use external drives. Mm-hmm. So everything is stored. And I actually do have a favorite. They're LaCie drives or Lacy drives.
Or the Seagate company.
And it's owned by Seagate. I just believe they're so fast and they're really dependable. Mm-hmm. So those are the drives I use. And again, it's just been personal preference. It's just I've had a great experience with them.
Because we both have terabytes and terabytes and terabytes worth of images stored on hard drives. And mine actually go into a fire safe. Right, so they're stored there. If I had a disaster, and I'm just thinking back to the California wildfires that just happened, and thinking, well, if I lost those, I still have my JPEGs. Right, I don't have my original files, but no big deal. Yeah. I have my JPEGs all loaded up on Smugmug. They're safe, and they're triple backed up too. Yep. So,
and if your fire safe works, then you got the RAWs.
Then you got the RAWs. If not,
hey, good question, Katie.
That was, Katie.
I'm glad I didn't laugh at you, Katie, because that is a very common question we get from people about. Hey, what do you guys do with your photos? How do you give them to people? How do you Smugmug?
Get rid of the CD thing.
Yeah.
It's just not practical.
It was for a time.
So anyways, as always, please send in your questions. Just type them simply below into the comment section on any of our Fortunate Question segments. We would love to answer them. If we do pick that question, it gets baked into a fortune cookie, and we break it open and read it on air.
And Katie's going to get the official chopstick.
She is
sent to her.
Woo! Chopstick guys, kit.
You're going to get yourself a couple pairs of chopsticks and the rests and the bowls and
good stuff. It's good stuff.
All good stuff.
But like always, we want you to please remember, say sushi. Till next time.